Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix update failed to install error in Samsung Galaxy A14. If you're using Galaxy A14 and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to install any software update on your phone, you must see the error which is update failed to install. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you can try to free up device storage because sometimes it might be that if your phone not have enough storage, so you might get these type errors. You just have to simply go to settings app here, and settings, go to device here, and under device here you must see storage, click on it, and here you have to make sure that you have almost 15 to 20 GB free with your internet storage. Or you can also check out the your update size, and I recommend you have to free up to 10 GB more than your update size to download and install that update on your phone without any issue like this. If your update is small, so you can also customize or adjust the extra storage up to 5%, but I recommend you have to keep almost 10% extra storage in your internal storage free. You can also use this section like go to videos, go to app section to clear storage. It might help you to fix out your issue. If it still not worked for you, you might have enough storage but you're still getting the same issue. Go to apps here, and apps, click on this sort icon, enable this to show your system apps, click OK. Go to search, and here you have to just search for update. You can search for software update, like I'm gonna search for software here. Just search for software update. You might get that. Just click on it, and here just click on storage. Click on clear cache. You can also try to clear data of this. You can also select the second one from here. Go to storage section, and here if you don't have any clear cache options, so you can don't try to clear this yet, but if you have, just try to clear cache and storage of your software update app. Once you have done, just simply go to software update now. Just click on the software update section button, and it will retry to check for updates. But I recommend one more step. You can try to go to app section, click on the search or sort, enable your system app. Go to search and search for update or software update here. You might get that app in this section. Select that app, and just select the second one, which allow you to disable or force stop the app. Just click on force stop. And once you have forcefully stopped your software update app, just scroll down to control center, click on this power icon, click on restart, and then click on this restart icon again to have a restart with your phone. And once your phone has been restarted, you have to retry to download the same software update, and this time you might not get any issue like that. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.